Hello everybody. Today is Saturday, January 23rd, 2021, and the Wandering Wassoms are at the world famous Lava Hot Springs in Lava Hot Springs, Idaho. Woo! We're gonna go check this place out. All right, we're gonna go in and pay our admissions. Is it? Oh yeah. It's good for kids.
This one's the good for kids pool because it feels like my back.
It's great for kids. Here's the cabin that we're staying in at the KOA East in Lava Hot Springs. It's really cool. It's got some bunk beds. It's got a big bed to sleep in, bathroom, microwave, fridge, and it's only like $100 a night. Got a campfire pit and a grill. A couple of these little cabins here. In the summer, this whole area is tent camping and RVs, and we're real close to the river as well. Very cool place. Let's go check it out inside and see how it looks. Here's a little view inside. A little table, bed, bathroom, and the bunk bed area. All right, so Angel and I are just gonna kind of walk up and down this main street here in Lava Hot Springs and show you a few things so you can see what it's like if you haven't ever been here yet.
It's so cute.
This is the sunken gardens that you can see from the hottest pool at the hot springs. It kind of sits up above it, and you want to stay on the pathway. It's got a little walking trail and stuff. Probably looks way cooler in the spring and summer and fall. But yeah, that's up here. I think I read somewhere that this little hotel thing has its own little hot spring as well. So check that out at homehotel.com.
We'll take that sponsorship from hotel.
Here we are giving free sponsorship to people.
We're that important, you know. We influence.
We're massive influencers. Not really. We can pretend. Tubes, tubes, tubes!
Like, we got inner tubes. We have bicycle tubes.
Tell us about this technology. You know, if I was going to name that machine, I'd just give it an acronym like ATM.
You know, that's what a lot of people think. You know, you just can't cut corners when you're talking about technology.
And finances.
Finances.
If you make it to Lava Hot Springs, you definitely want to check out South Bannock County Historical Center and Museum. History of Lava Hot Springs stuff. Here it is, folks. The History Museum and visitor info. Mike's Market is the place to shop if you're in Lava. Thank you to the city of Lava Hot Springs for honoring veterans. Angel likes the chuck wagon type food, so
It's the only food I actually eat. So.
you can always hit up the chuck wagon restaurant when you're in Lava.
I wonder if that should have like the Dutch oven cooking up there.
Lava Spa Motel. Dude, they have
Shop.
color TV by RCA.
If I go in there, it's not an RCA.
What would you do if it was like a color, but it was like Toshiba or, I don't know, LG or some other brand? What would you do?
I would seriously demand for a refund.
Really?
I can't.
That's legit.
Okay, so Jason got this whole setup going. Got some spare wood from all his projects being amazing.
I use a lot of dryer lint to start fires, so I keep it with little dryer sheets and dryer lint. Sometimes I stuff them in toilet paper roll holders. They make good fire starters.
So you put it in a few different spots, looks like.
And of course we always have Old Faithful if we need her.
Ooh.
I prefer the Char King brand.
Oh, it's really persnickety about his fire starting ability stuff.
Cheers. So here I am doing one of my favorite things, grilling steaks. Oh yeah. How'd those steaks turn out, baby? Let me see that. Let me see that bad boy. Oh yes.
Jason's about to try his steak.
That's so good.
I'm so excited. This is how we can.